Fan prediction.
Oh, loved it. Loved it. It's so beautiful. And having Michelle, Camilla Cotomo.
The internet is freaking out over Jim Carrey, clones, secret girlfriends, and more. Is that really Jim Carrey, or did Hollywood quietly replace him with a clone? If you've been on the internet in the last 48 hours, you have probably seen the photos that have left millions of fans completely speechless. After stepping away from the Hollywood spotlight to live a quiet life, comedy legend Jim Carrey just made a massive, highly anticipated return to the red carpet. But there is just one problem. Fans are saying he looks absolutely unrecognizable. Welcome back to FameFlash, your ultimate source for the biggest celebrity news. Today, we are breaking down Jim Carrey's viral appearance at the César Awards in Paris. From wild plastic surgery rumors and clone conspiracy theories to the reveal of a secret girlfriend, we are covering it all. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because this is a story you have to see to believe. Let's set the scene. On February 26, 2026, the 64-year-old acting legend attended the 51st César Awards in Paris, often called the French Oscars, to accept a prestigious lifetime honorary award. But when he stepped onto the red carpet, jaws dropped. Jim traded his usual short hair and gray beard for shoulder-length jet black hair and a completely clean-shaven face. Instantly, social media exploded. X and Reddit were flooded with wild conspiracy theories. Some fans claimed he had secret Botox or a facelift, while others took it to a whole new level, starting a massive trend claiming that the real Jim Carrey has been replaced by a clone or a body double. Of course, these clone theories are just crazy internet rumors. The truth is, Jim simply shaved his beard, dyed his hair, and put on a sharp suit. But the dramatic transformation was enough to break the internet. But his new hair wasn't the only thing catching everyone's attention. Jim also used this massive event to make his relationship red carpet official. For the past few years, Jim has kept his personal life totally locked down. But in Paris, he proudly walked hand in hand with his beautiful, longtime secret girlfriend, Minzi, also known as Min-Ah. During his acceptance speech, Jim melted hearts everywhere when he publicly declared his love for her. He looked right at her and called her his sublime companion, thanking her for her support. For a man who has experienced a lot of heartbreak in his past, seeing Jim look this happy and deeply in love is absolutely wonderful, and fans couldn't be more thrilled for him. When Jim finally took the stage to accept his award, he didn't just give a standard Hollywood speech. He delivered the entire speech in French. It was a deeply emotional moment. He paid a beautiful tribute to his late father, his daughter Jane, and his grandson, thanking them for being his ultimate inspiration. He proved that underneath all the crazy comedy characters, he is a man with a massive heart. But don't worry, he hasn't lost his legendary sense of humor. When the French press tried to swarm him on the red carpet for interviews, Jim brilliantly dodged the questions. In classic comedic fashion, he hit them with Arnold Schwarzenegger's iconic Terminator line, "I'll be back," and smoothly walked away. Classic Jim. From internet-breaking clone theories to a beautiful red carpet romance, Jim Carrey definitely knows how to make an unforgettable comeback. But we want to hear from you. What do you think of Jim Carrey's brand new look? Are you buying the plastic surgery rumors, or do you think he just looks great for his age? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to FameFlash for more daily celebrity updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.